In terms of quality and speed, which delivers more? First, we have Google's Gemini Veo 3, then we have Kling AI. So let's start with Google Veo 3. It is Google's advanced text to video, image to video generation model that produces short cinematic clips with audio, camera motion, ambient sounds, and many more. So for the pros, it has a strong audio-visual integration. It offers cinematic motions and framings. It supports vertical format, and it's more suitable for social formats. The cons is though is the speed. While there is high quality, generating takes more resources and may cost more. Like for example, the generation time is around 3 to 5 minutes for a short clip, and its cost per second is relatively higher, although it is improving. Then we have Kling AI. It is a video generation tool that emphasizes faster turnaround, image to video workflows, social media clip creations, and lower cost per output. So for the pros, it offers faster generation times in standard or quick modes. It has a lower cost option. It's also good for social content. The cons is though, the quality may suffer compared to VO3, and from the highest quality scenarios, it also has some not matching videos of the polished, and there are some user complaints as well. So overall, if your priority is top quality, cinematic motions, then choose Google Gemini's VO3. But if you're looking for a speed and volume and many clips faster turnaround, then choose Kling AI. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.